街のキャ若さに任せ赤騒ぎしていた地球丸ごと試験官チート名誉ラッパー全て捨てた
Marcus Rashford front and centre.
Well, Derek, over the years he's scored so many goals. It's his ability to come short and then spin in behind defenders at such pace. When the ball's played in behind, nobody catches him and he often gets 1v1 against the goalkeeper, and we know what the result is.
Complete coverage is next on EA TV. Well, just the sort of weather the fans... we're hoping for this evening. It's absolutely ideal. I'm Derek Ray, and I'm joined for expert analysis by Stuart Robson. And everyone here on tenterhooks, you'd have to say with good reason. It's Bologna up against Bayern Munich.
Yes, thanks as always, Derek. We've got two good teams here, so I'm anticipating a really good game. The atmosphere is electric inside the stadium before kick-off, and hopefully we're not disappointed.
Tremendously strong in the tackle. And this is the lineup for Bologna. Nick Pope gets the nod between the posts. Kyle Walker plays with Mendy in the fullback positions. And in attack today, Kylian Mbappe starts alongside Marcus Rashford. Really good build-up, but no end product. And here's how Bayern will line up. Gianluigi Donnarumo is the keeper. Carvajal starts with Alphonso Davies in the fullback positions. Raheem Sterling plays with Moussa Diaby on the flanks. And the lead striker today is Antoine Griezmann. Diaby. And the ball with Alphonso Davies. Musiala. Here's Carvajal. That's really good and effective physical play. Musiala really getting stuck in. Carvajal. Laimer on the ball. Jamal Musiala. Laimer. And now Sterling. Diaby. And return to Sterling. Kante. Superb defensive judgment to end the attack. Mbappe. And the defenders know they need to get tighter. But a good piece of defending to bring it to an end. And space for Bayern in the wide position. Crossing opportunity. Oh, he looks threatening. Griezmann. Oh, great defending. Pedri. Mbappe in the centre. And you've just witnessed a moment of truly high-class goalkeeping.
You're absolutely right. What a save that is. He's reacted so quickly.
And played in by Kimmich. And knocked out of there. Kimmich. Well, he read that brilliantly at the back. And so it is, the first half story has been written. Well, underway once more, and it's going to be fascinating to see what developments occur in the second half. A super tackle and they've won possession. Well, moving the ball forward, they might be in business. Very alertly winning back possession. Laimer. And it's Ruben Dias. Jamal Musiala. So half an hour remaining. Very quick thinking there. Marcus Rashford. And now Rodrygo. Well, breaking at pace is always a possibility. How about the cross? Could be! Can he finish here? Opportunity, maybe. Barella. Back to Mbappe. Mendy. Have no interest in losing possession. Good strength to keep the ball. Ruben Dias. Laimer on the ball. Nacho Fernandez. Laimer. 10 minutes to go. Given away by Bayern Munich. Mbappe. Can he put them in front? It's a perfect challenge. Laimer. N'Golo Kante. On to Diaby. Nacho Fernandez. Bayern unable to hold on to the ball. And just 1 minute of time added on for stoppages. Opportunity to deliver the cross. And the post getting in the way. And there's the whistle, all even at the end of 90 minutes.